dua, tiga. Hi, we are going to do an unboxing for Dell EMC 440. We are doing a lot of short-term rental here in Cloudify.Asia, right? So this is a brand new server which we are going to ship to our customers today. So you have the pleasure to see the unboxing for the 440, right? So behind me you can see my colleague is busy doing customization for the server rental required. We have all the latest server for rent. So if our customers require any new servers, you can actually rent from us now. Right? You can see it's brand new. Come with the kit, the cable as well. Right? Okay, let me open this one. This is heavy. You can see this brand new 440 server. It's a 1U 2-socket server, right? So we have, this is the design 440 brand new. We also have 740 server, right? SSD, hard disk, memory, 10 GB network card, and so forth. So if you need any short-term rental, do contact us. Email us. Thank you.